Hi and welcome. Resetting your Apple TV will remove all data, including configurations and accounts, so be aware of this before doing so. Here's how to reset your Apple TV.
Step number 1. Power on your Apple TV. Step number 2. Open Settings on your Apple TV. Step number 3. Scroll down and go to System. Step number 4. Press Reset. Step number 5. Choose one of the following reset options. Reset. With the help of this option, you can restore your Apple TV to its original configuration without using the internet. Reset and Update. With this option, the latest software updates will be installed and your Apple TV's factory settings will be restored. An internet connection is also required. Step number 6. Keep your Apple TV plugged into power until the reset process is complete. You'll be able to see a progress bar as the Apple TV starts to reset all of its settings, data, apps, and network logins to their original state. The Apple TV may need to restart multiple times to finish the reset, so this operation may take some time. In addition, ensure it stays plugged into a power source during the entire process. For more updates, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.